Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down, in this left section. Let's scroll down to find Accounts and Backup. Let's tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got the Google Drive section. We've got only one option, which is the backup data, so simply tap on it. This is actually the very first step of adding a Google account, adding a backup account. So let's tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step, we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And as you will see, you do not have to enter your whole email address. You can simply enter the first part of it before the add symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it, just like here. So right now we have to enter the password. Let me do this out of the screen. All right, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. So let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the whole backup. So after scrolling, you can see that you will be able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. What's more, your device will backup the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily. If for some reason you do not want to backup your data right now, simply tap on Not Now. As you can see, we got back to the accounts and backup, and if you will decide that right now you want to backup the data, simply tap on backup data and you will be transferred directly to this step. So no worries that you will lose the account, it will be removed. It is saved. So if you want to if you want to enable the backup, simply tap on turn on, and here we've again been transferred to the options connected to the backup. So here you've got the account storage. You can check how many space you've got left. You can manage the storage here. Here you've got the backup details. As you can see, no data has been backed up, because if you want to confirm the backup, simply tap on backup now, and after tapping on it, your device will back up the whole data actually. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.